Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here today new vehicle for me, 2013 Toyota Sienna. She has a salvage title and she's badly damaged, or she got badly damaged and she was incorrectly repaired. I feel very bad for her. It's one of those chop shops in Sacramento area. This is Bondo overlapping, rusting already. I don't know if you can see it. There's a Bondo cracking on this door, and this door barely can be moved. It's all twisted, the gaps when you close it, and it takes a lot of power to even close it. Everything is bad on this, so the customer said, hey, this door is not locking. Well, I'm not surprised that it's not locking when it's so in such a bad shape that you can barely move it. So I will be not investing my time in this, obviously, but in different video we fixed this hatch tail light that was completely gone. So that's already posted, and I promised you I will film his number 2 concern, where he said that this console is inoperable. It's completely dead, no lights, nothing works on it. And why I thought maybe the headliner was off and they didn't hook it back, because this also doesn't work. When you put the ignition on, that's dead. This whole unit is dead. So in this video I would like to show you how you remove this unit. The previous ones, they had screws. It was the other way. The controls were in front and the opening for sunglasses were in the back, and you had the screws and then you lowered it. But this one, my friend, many of you who will need to be dealing with this, you will be stuck. You will not know what to do. One of the reasons you will have to be dealing with it, if you have a sunroof, you have to remove this console to get to the motor emergency hex. Right, that motor, if it stops working for some reason, has an emergency possibility to manually turn that hex which is in the motor and close your sunroof. This one doesn't have a sunroof, but he wants me to tell him what's up with this. So I will show you right now how to remove it without damaging your headliner. I was going to pull it with my tool, but it doesn't want to go. And that's why I went on YouTube. I'm like, hey, am I forgetting that I had these ones off in the past when I worked for a dealer? I remember on this channel at least 1 or 2 I was removing it for different reasons. I forgot why, doesn't matter. I'm like, hey, am I using my brain or what is going on? I knew how to do it. It's up here and you pull it down, but I'm using a lot of power and it's not coming off. So I looked it up and there's not one video on it. So now we will create a video for everybody to use. And in this case, you have to be more aggressive when you will think that this plastic can take. So instead of using the hook here, the latch is pretty small, I hook it right here in the middle, let's say, of the sunglass holder, and you are removing the front, not the rear. Believe it or not, it will come out. It just, did you see that? And normally you are correct. You are like, I will destroy it. The dust is falling on that lens, but you will not. It will give, and I will show you. Now you go forward, because here are the latches, and you have the whole unit off, And unfortunately I can see that both wires are hooked. I will unhook them. Here you can start seeing it. So that was one of them. Here is the other one. And I will be able to show you the details of the install and why it was so hard. So do you see these ones? These metal clips, they are basically just inserted inside, and then this is the back. So I said don't pull on that. The back is underneath here, the trim. So I will continue my own work. That's not part of this video. I really want to show to everybody how to remove this item. I hope you can see it one more time. The metal clips. It was probably a little bit harder than usually because this is moving around. Shouldn't be, but it is. The screws are not correctly tight. The whole thing is moving, and that's why it gave me that feeling, second guessing myself, and I didn't want to pull harder because it didn't want to go. When I will be putting it back, I will lubricate these, so in the future it goes easier. I know many of you will find this video helpful in the future. I just have to find some good verbiage wording for the title, so you can find it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel. If you do find this helpful, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.